Good morning. This is SriHarshini. Today I'm gonna discuss on recurrent neural network for sequence data. These are the contents I'm gonna discuss in this presentation. Journey of generative AI, a time series data set, simple RNN with SynWave data, LSTM neural network, LSTM with time series data. Redesign the neural network, compare network performance, and project report. First, the journey of generative AI. Generative artificial intelligence has made remarkable strides in recent years, enabling machines to create content that mimics human creative. At the forefront of this program are recurrent neural network and the specialized variant long short-term memory networks. This essay explores the pivotal contribution of RNN and LSTM to the emergence and advancement of generative AI. In order to understand more about recurrent neural network, it is a class of artificial neural networks designed to process sequence data by maintaining a hidden state that captures information about past inputs. The ability to retain context makes them particularly well suited for tasks involving sequential contribution of RNN and LSTM to the emergence and advancement of generative AI. However, traditional RNN often struggles to capture long range dependencies due to the vanishing gradient problem, where gradient diminish exponentially over time, hindering the network ability to learn from distance past inputs. Long short-term memory. This network is introduced by Ocheretus and Simondruber in 1997. Address the limitations of traditional RNN by incorporating a more sophisticated memory mechanism. Unlike standard RNN, LSTM possesses a gating mechanism compared of input, forgot, and output gates, allowing them to selectively retain or discard information over long sequence. This architecture enables LSTM to learn and remember long-term dependencies more effectively, and making them a cornerstone of the sequential modeling tasks. The challenges and ethical considerations of genetic AI are: despite this transformation potential, RNN and LSTM also raises important ethical considerations. The use of AI generated content in areas such as journalism, entertainment, and advertising raises questions about authorship, ownership, and authenticity. Moreover, the potential for misuse, such as generating fake news or deep fake videos, underscores the need for responsible development and deployment of generative AI technologies. With this, we can conclude that recurrent neural network and their variant long short-term memory networks have played a pivot role in the advancement of generative AI. For enhancing language generation to empowering creative expression, these neural architectures have pushed the boundaries of what machines can create. However, as generative AI continues to evolve, it is essential to address ethical concerns and ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly for the benefits of society. Next, the part 2 is about a time series dataset. This dataset is from 2004 to 2010, and the data is on airline baggage complaints for Hawaii, United, and American Eagle, which are included in this dataset. This dataset is referred from Kagler, and the duration of this time series is 7 years, that is from Jan 2004 to December 2010. The quantity of data points, a total number of 1188, are from 396 of each airlines. In this, the information is organized in a single row every airline each month. In this dataset, the columns are name of airlines, month, year, and the month is considered in the 1 to 12, and the year is considered in the range of 2004 to 2010. The quantity of complaints about bags, the quantity of flights that are planned, and the quantity of flights that are cancelled, and total number of people who are onboarded. This information covers a 7-year span and includes monthly passengers count, flights counts, baggage complaints, and cancellation for all three airlines. This allows complaint rate across various airlines and over time to be analyzed. It is crucial to have more details on operational indicators like scheduled flights, cancellations, and total passengers when analyzing the complaint data. Because it includes consistent monthly data for three major airlines over several years, this time series data set is valuable for measuring airline quantity, operational performance, and consumer satisfactions. Next, part 3, simple RNN with SynWave data. Neural networks. The foundation of deep learning are well known for their capacity to mimic human brain function and hence be applied to complex data driven problems. Neural network composes of three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. Input layer. External sources such as CSV files or a web service provide the data that we feed the model to the input layer. With no need for processing, it is the only layer in the whole neural network architecture that is visible and oversees sending all external inputs. Hidden layer. Deep learning is what it is today. Because of the hidden layers, all components and features extractions from the input are handled by these intermediate levels. Multiple linked hidden layers may exist to search for different aspects in the data.